back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I'm doing a recipe spread. And for this month, like I did the cabbage roll recipe for New Year's. So like for this month, there's not really any holidays going on. So what I'm going to do is all of January, I'm going to just take recipes that I have stuffed in my planner and get them down on paper. And so for this week, I'm going to do, this was a recipe sent to me by one of my subscribers. We were talking and she said that she was going to make that for dinner. And I said, ooh, that sounds really good. Send me the recipe. And she did. So I printed it off on my printer and just stuffed it in my planner or my recipe book and haven't got it down. So that's what I'm going to do this week. And this is for buffalo chicken baked ziti. So this is a recipe that she sent me. I printed it, and then I also printed the picture that's up here so I can put it down too. So, what color am I going to write the recipe on with? Since it's buffalo, I think maybe I'll do this orange. So I'm going to write the recipe up here at the top. Okay. So I ended up running out of room, but I just put baked ziti right there. All right, so now I'm going to fill out this side here. It says it serves 4. Main ingredients. I'm going to say ziti and probably chicken. Yep. I'm going to say it's probably pretty easy. I haven't got to make it yet, but I'm guessing it's going to be pretty easy. Prep time, 10 minutes. Cook time, 30 minutes. Temperature, 350. Okay. Now let's see, how many ingredients are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ingredients. I have the food and recipe sticker books over here. I think I'm going to use this one. How many spaces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So I think I might use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there's plenty of these. I think I'm going to use these. All right. So I'm going to write down the ingredients really quick here. So I had to improvise. I don't know why I spaced these out so far, but I had to improvise on putting the 2 chicken breasts right there. I had to make it real small. Okay, instructions. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of them. So, let's see. I want to see if I still have the orange double box. No, I've already used it. Okay. I'm going to put this down over top where it says preparation. It says eat well, be happy. Okay, maybe I'll just use these checklist for the steps. So I'll just put one right here and see how many of these steps I can get down. Okay, I got all the steps down, And I went a little bit past this, but that's all right because that was all of it. So I'm done with that. Now I'm going to put the picture down right here. I think I'm going to trim a little bit of it off the top. Kind of like that. Okay, where is my glue pen? Oh. All right. So I'm gonna lay this down right here. All right. So there's not very much I can decorate with. I think there's a lot of whisking in the recipe, so I think maybe I'll put a couple of these whisks down. And there is milk in the recipe, so I can put some of this milk. Let's see. A spoon. Maybe I can put this what's for dinner down here. Yeah, let me grab one of these stoves. All right, it's probably all I'm going to be able to do. Yum. Put yum up here. I can't put family favorite or anything like that because we haven't made it yet, so. Put that cheese right there. And there are some words in here too. Let's see. All right, maybe not. All right, so that's it. That's all I'm going to do to it. Whoops. That was a pretty quick recipe spread. So, like I said, this is for baked ziti, or I'm sorry, buffalo chicken baked ziti. I am going to end up trying this one day this month, actually. But I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you guys all in the next video. Bye!